Okay, work it. Work it out now. Roll her up.
Knishes.
Mm-hmm.
Potato Knishes. Great Bubba style. Only she'd be real angry that I didn't use fresh potatoes, like right off the oven.
Is that right?
Oh, yeah.
Mm.
She used to tell me, no, you have to use fresh potatoes. And scold me. But I would call them good enough. I got an onion in them. And then after we get them, like we could even do it right now if we want to. Give a little cut. And a little cut outside. Straighten this out a little.
Enough of a roll.
We'll see.
Yeah. Just once over, that's it.
Get a roll on top of it in a second.
I guess it pulled pretty good.
Yeah, if it's the right consistency. That's what I said. All depends how you make the dough. See, now I'm turning it over. And now we have a little snake. And then we go like this. And then we do this, put them on top of each other and squish down. And then we have
There you have it.
your potato Knish.
Huh.
And when it bakes, kind of bakes the flour around the potato, and boom,
Boom.
that's it.